We use innovation to provide customers with high-quality products.
And use green ecological scientific research and development to open the international door.
This is a fusion of the times.
We try to build the core, driving of the tire industry for the future. We focus on research and development to make good tires. As industry leader,
we look forward to a more diversified development with the most precise scale and the strongest carrying capacity.
with the most green environmental materials and the highest quality scientific technology.
To make our expectations closer to reality.
We dedicate high-quality products to users with first-class quality management and assurance systems. We always focus on user needs and try to exceed user expectations.
We form a complete industrial chain.
Let advanced production, technology, and inspection play their greatest role. We also create more innovative technical and management teams. We are dedicated to providing customers with more complete tire solutions. Countless fresh ideas have always inspired us to improve our technology and manufacturing capabilities. We find new perspectives from innovation every day. We strive to bring these innovations to life and make them reality. In time, over time, as an excellent,
We are one of the excellent tire suppliers.
we have established long-term partnerships with many brands. We provide stable supply for more than 30 provinces and also exported to Asia and the United States, 30 countries.
Let innovative products gain recognition nationwide and globally. As an innovative green ecological tire pioneer, we turn the impossible into possible. We shoulder the mission entrusted by the times and carry the trend of future industry ecology and embrace a wider world.
Today,